Hello everyone. So if you want to turn on your automatic system updates on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, first of all, you're to open up your settings. Now in your settings, you're to scroll down to your About Tablet section. Here we gotta find our software information and we are to find our build number. Now we need to tap 7 times on it to enable our developer mode. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. All right, now if you have a pin, you will be prompted to enter it. So let's enter it. And now on the left side, we'll scroll down to the bottom. Below the About Tablet tab, we'll find our developer options. So let's tap on them. And now we need to find our automatic updates. So here it is, Auto Update System. So if you were gonna turn on the switch, so simply tap on it to activate it, right? When it glows blue, it means it's on. Now each time your tablet is getting rebooted, if you have any pending updates, it will be updated automatically. So if you want to turn off this option, once again, locate your developer options, locate your auto update system and simply tap on the switch to turn it off. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.